I wake up early in the morning and open my window.
I brush my teeth carefully before eating breakfast.
I wash my face with cold water and feel fresh. I drink a glass of water before starting my day.
I make a cup of hot tea for myself. I eat bread and eggs for breakfast every morning.
I wear my shoes and get ready to go outside. I walk slowly to the busy market near my house.
I see many people buying fruits and vegetables.
Stop at a fruit shop and buy some apples. I talk politely to the friendly shopkeeper.
Ek, je hebt on there too.
I pay the shopkeeper and thank him with a smile. I carry my shopping bag and walk back home. I sit on a chair and take some rest. I read the newspaper while drinking hot tea. I watch television for some time in the evening. I water the plants in front of my house. I feel tired after a long and busy day. I eat dinner quietly with my family at night. I go to sleep early after finishing my work.